This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own LLC taxes. First, determine your LLC's tax classification. A single-member LLC is usually treated as a sole proprietorship, meaning profits and losses are reported on your personal tax return. Multi-member LLCs are generally taxed as partnerships, requiring a separate informational return. Knowing your classification is the crucial first step to ensure correct filing and avoid penalties. For single-member LLCs, you'll report your business income and expenses on Schedule C of your Personal Form 1040. This means your business profits are taxed at your individual income tax rate. You'll also need to pay self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare contributions. Remember to make estimated tax payments quarterly if you anticipate owing at least $1,000 in taxes for the year. If your LLC has multiple members, it's typically taxed as a partnership. This means the LLC itself files Form 1065, an informational return, but doesn't pay income tax directly. Instead, each member receives a Schedule K-1, which details their share of the LLC's income, deductions, and credits. Members then report this K-1 income on their individual Form 1040, paying taxes at their personal rates. Some LLCs choose to elect S-corporation status, which can potentially reduce self-employment taxes by allowing you to pay yourself a reasonable salary and distribute remaining profits. If you elect S-corp status, you'll file Form 1120S. Regardless of your classification, maintaining accurate and detailed records of all income and expenses is absolutely essential for smooth and compliant tax filing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.